me, Kortni with the K, and thanks for watching Microwaving with Kortni. If you haven't done so already, make sure you click subscribe so you can see new content and learn new or be reminded of things you can do in the microwave. So let's get to it. Today we're gonna do chicken and waffles. This is so great. My bestie Kenya is gonna be all excited when she gets to taste this. So make sure y'all tune in and watch Taste or Tell afterwards so you can see if Kenya's reaction to it. It's gonna be a good one. So what we're using, I like strawberries a lot, and I actually went to, I can't remember if it was Denny's or IHOP, I get them confused. One of them had some pancakes with some strawberries, and it was so good. So I just said, you know what, if I'm doing waffles, I gotta have this. Plus, on the Eggo thing, they got the picture of the strawberries, so it only makes sense. Like, we gotta finish it off with strawberries. So this is what we're gonna use. We're gonna use the thick and fluffy just because it's a better presentation. So we're gonna have that. We're gonna have some syrup, barbecue sauce, because some people like that on their chicken. And my favorite, chicken. And this time, we're gonna use the toaster in the microwave. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually toast this waffles, because we need this for chicken and waffles. I'm just gonna do one because I don't know how hungry Kenya is. Kenya, how hungry are you?
Just a little hungry, but one is enough.
Okay.
We can share.
All right.
We on the diet. You know?
I know how tempting it is to want to. So I'm gonna put this up. Step out of frame. So put that up. Oh, okay. All right. Got a lot in there at the freezer. I'm gonna did a lot of shopping for y'all. I can't close the freezer. No. And one ingredient I forgot. How did I forget? Parsley, food decor, aka. So this is actually makes everything looks pretty. So we're just gonna actually go ahead and warm up our chicken. Kenya's on a diet, so we don't need a lot. Put two, but depending on your family size, you may need more. So we're just gonna place this in the microwave on high for about 1.5 minutes. We get a cover so it don't splatter anywhere. 1.5. Half of a minute is 1:30, I think. Alright, I think that's right. Alrighty. And our chicken is done. Just like that. And one thing I forgot to mention, make sure you get your cutting board and your knife. So we're gonna, oh, this plate is hot. Oh, that was hot. Alright, so then, oh gosh. 1 second. I think this was supposed to be decoration. Oh. Okay. Chicken. Alright, maybe you only need 1 minute. That's 30 seconds. It's hot. Whew. Okay. And here's my waffle. This is our waffle. And then you just place your chicken on top of it. Like that. And the parsley, because you need to make it look pretty. I think every time you cook, if you're a professional, you need this. Because it just make it photo better. Now we're gonna cut up the strawberry. Let me see how they had it on the picture. Need the waffle box. Oh, you know what? They didn't cut the strawberries. All right, just put the strawberry on.
Wash the strawberry out.
Oh yeah. Oh gosh, we gotta wash the strawberry. So just rinse the strawberry, and voila, just like that, waffles, chicken and waffles.
Ooh.
And then you can top it off with your choice, barbecue sauce or syrup, whatever you prefer. It just depends on your taste buds. So that's that. Real quick, real simple, real easy. So make sure you tune in with Microwave and Kortni to see what I'm cooking or microwaving next. Bye, guys. I just want y'all to know that I was serious about them strawberries being on there. Can you show them the strawberries? See? So that way, if you, there you go. So it's not just me. Chicken and waffles with strawberries is a thing.
That's raspberries, Kortni.
Oh.
Yes, look at that.